CloudWatch showed the 2.17.9 error at 2:14, and it was mine. I sat there with the Insights tab open, a fresh filter for level equals error and service equals API, and a line just popped up like it had fallen through a crack in the ceiling. Path, method, a correlation ID that matched the OU prefix or gateway injects. The message included the exact input I had in my VS Code scratch file, the one I hadn't sent yet. 3 minutes later, Slack woke the house up. PagerDuty, then hash incidents lit up, and the same error scrolled by with the same correlation ID. It was like watching a live replay of a thing you hadn't done. I didn't say anything then. I told myself it was time skew. Awareness -1, CloudWatch sorts by the event's timestamp unless you force ingestion. If the app clock was off, you could get out of order entries. If you're on call long enough, you learn to blame clocks. I checked the clocks. The EC2 instance our API runs on, chronic tracking, was boring and right. My Windows laptop, w32tim/query/status 0.123's offset. Our Docker containers were using UTC. Everything that could have drifted was welded in place. The second time, the message was stranger. It referenced a commit hash, the first 7 of SHA I didn't recognize, with a note that our auth middleware couldn't pass a bearer token. The log time was 18:241. It was 17:59 on my taskbar. At 18:03, my teammate pushed a hotfix. I saw the hash on GitHub and felt sick. The first 7 matched. Our middleware choked because of the change he'd made, exactly as the log said, exactly at the minute the log had predicted. Slack lit up again, like it was following a script. I started to chase it. CloudWatch has an at ingestion time field if you dig. That's when AWS claimed it got the event. The predicted errors all had ingestion times within seconds of when I saw them. The timestamps inside the events were the ones from the future. I switched the query to sort by ingestion. The ghost stayed. In VS